Okay, check this out. There's a big patch of germander here. Germander grows very well here in Kansas. It's part of the sage family. It's considered a bit toxic, so definitely do your research first. Another name for it is germ killer, because back in the day when they did use it medicinally, they used it for diarrhea and constipation and stomach issues. And it was also a rinse for gout, but they don't recommend today consuming a lot of it. Use it wisely. I personally don't use it, but pollinators love it, so we just let it grow. Hey, look who showed up, Jack. You ready? Where you been, buddy? Look, there's more germander. Lots more in here. Nice. It's a little breezy out today, but it is nice. Nice little break from the heat. Go, minnow, go. All right, minnow, look what we found. We found some woolly verbena. Nice tall purple flower. The Plains Indians use the leaves to make a tea to help soothe stomach aches. And it is a medicinal plant. Leaves and flowers. Okay, I found a small little batch here of yellow prairie coneflower. Let's see if you can see it okay. The Indians also use this type of flower, the leaves and the flowers. Here's the leaves down here. And then the petals and the flowers are medicinal. You can also make a poultice or a salve, and they would rub it on snake bites and poison ivy. Alright, so I came upon this, which I may have shown you in another video. These cute little pink flowers. Deptford pinks. They are toxic. Cute and sweet, but toxic. Do not consume. And but you can touch them. But definitely not medicinal or edible. And they originated or came from Deptford, England. Okay, and then I forgot to mention when we were looking at the germanders, before they used hops in beer, germander was used as the bitter substance in beer. And then hops came along and they liked that flavor better. But yes, germander was once used in flavoring beer. Okay, all that out there. In Kansas, we have poison ivy. A lot of people get this confused with poison sumac. Sumac is not poisonous. Now, some people may have sensitivity to it, but sumac, the red top sumac, is not poison sumac. We do not have poison sumac. But, you know, that's everybody's opinion. A lot of people will argue about that. The red tops there are medicinal. You can pop those like popcorn, and they are edible. I was trying to get close here. There's a lot of poison ivy. And let's see how many ticks I get today. Look at all that. And it's got pretty little red flowers. And this is not poison ivy, it's not poison sumac, but that is my opinion. Make sure you do research. There is white sumac. Some people may be sensitive to that. Look at all that. The red flowers can be used in salads. see. Yep, little red buds there. And it's not poison. And I am highly allergic to poison ivy, but this here is fine. It's silky leaves, smooth leaf, red sumac. And there is a lot. And those little red berries on top can be used as tea. They are kind of bitter sweet. You can flavor it with syrup, maple syrup. Yeah, not too bad. Just beware and do your research in your area. They are different in different areas. So make sure you double check with anything before you consume anything wild. Okay, so I came down here to check on the mullein. This is what it looks like if you see it out right now. It's starting to get a little tall. It will get way taller than that. The leaves are big and thick and soft. It'll have some yellow flowers when it gets taller. Right now I'll just leave it and I'll wait just a little bit longer. There's another one there. And they're kind of hiding around. Here's the old stalks. The seeds fly and they reseed themselves, but they do not regrow in the same spot. So you'll see them along the roadside. They usually stop and grab some leaves. Just make sure it's not too close to the road. You don't want to pick stuff that, there may be debris blown on from tires. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Alrighty, look at this. Everybody's favorite. Black-eyed Susan. It is an edible plant. You can make tea with the petals. They used to make tea with the black-eyed Susan root to help rid parasites. It is a diuretic. Use it wisely. There's some St. John's wort. I did talk a little bit about that in another video. It's excellent for anxiety, depression, nerves, calming. I mix it with some lavender. And that's it there. A little bit of stuff, some flea bane. Helps keep the fleas away. But it's in a daisy family. You can actually eat those flowers too. They're great on salads. Oh, and yellow clover. Another edible flower. The bees love it. Oops. Wrong one. That's St. John's wort. Let me go over here. There it is. It's hard to focus in on that right there. Yellow clover. Well, shucks. I think I got it. The honeybees love this. And so do deer and cattle. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is the first time I've seen this here on our property. This is chicory, wild chicory. Look at the petals, the little rough edge, knife edges on the tips. The greens can be used in salads as the petals, and the roots were used as coffee, a substitute for coffee. I'm just so excited to see it. I've never seen this out here before. I think I'm going to take a little bit. All right, now I'm in the middle of this bunch of sand plum bushes, and I got a good little start here. So this is what I'm going to get today. Going to make some sand plum jelly. All right, thank you for stopping by today. What do you think, Jag? What do you think? Is that good stuff? Did I get enough? No? Where'd you go? I gotta get some more? Okay, let's keep looking.